Have y'all been seeing these Fitbit Air fitness trackers? So apparently, see, I could probably do this, and maybe I need to get one. So I'm not a smartwatch person because the simple fact I already have my phone is buzzing every 2 minutes, and it drives me crazy. In fact, I get accusations thrown at me because I put my phone on do not disturb all the time. You can see where that would your partner might, why is your phone always on do not disturb? What are you hiding? Like, notifications, like not the notifications you're thinking about. No, I'm not cheating. It's my freaking phone buzzing every 2 seconds. It annoys the freak out of me. So I always have my phone on do not disturb. Well, it's part of the reason why I don't have a smartwatch, because it would be lighting up every 2 seconds or buzzing every 2 seconds, and my phone already annoys me. So, but what if you take the smartwatch out of it, but you still keep the sensors for health reasons, for health tracking, right? Well, that's kind of what this is. This is a smartwatch band, but without the dial. It still has the sensors built in there. You see where it wraps over on the front. Let me see if I can pull this up. This might be a wearable I could use. Now, I know they have Steph Curry promoting these, but it essentially just looks like a wristband. Now, my question is, how do you charge it, and how long will it last for? Maybe we can figure this out together. So it's $100. Let's see. It's got 24/7 heart rate tracking, heart rhythm monitoring, sleep stages, sleep duration, blood oxygen, resting heart rate variability, automatic activity detection and workout recaps, guided workouts through Google Health Coach. I don't care about that stuff. Photo-based workout logging for cardio equipment. So it's essentially a health tracker, but that's the only reason why I would use it for in the first place. I don't want to message somebody from my wrist when I have my phone in my hand. It just doesn't make sense. Like this little smartwatch thing, and I know I've tried one every few months or every 6 months. I may try out a new one just to see if I can deal with it. And I'll wear it for a week, and I'll be like, screw this. I might give this one a try. Can we buy one? Where do we buy it at? Pre-orders are open now. Google is also selling a Steph Curry special edition for $129. Interesting. May give it a try, because that may be what I'm missing. Let's see here. The hell? What the helly? There we go. Come on. Anything else? What time? Let's see. Anything else here on the list? Discord is back after a major outage. Who cares? I hate Discord. I just never, it's just too much. It's too much for a messaging app. Like, really? I can't get down with Discord. I know a lot of YouTubers have Discord channels, but not here. I can't stand Discord.